just for fun, why don't you come with me as I pick up the Battlewagon 4? All right, we're about strapped down, ready to go. Got some Blue Force tracker trays in here. Gypsy rack. Some other tow bars are here. We're gonna need those when we get to headquarters. We are chained. Oh, a brush guard too, forgot about that. I don't think those starters are gonna go anywhere. Maybe put something to pad that stuff. The new air conditioning system, doors. We had about an hour's drive. We stayed on back roads and I followed along for what was thankfully boring. Here we are in suburbia once again. Parked on the lawn. I try to do that once a month to keep the neighbors in check, you know. And here we go, another truck showing up. Get Patrick, he's gonna back it up into the driveway here. All right, so we got the trailer up the driveway. It is a sloped driveway, which means that the truck is facing downhill and actually is gonna need some help getting off the trailer. So to do that, oh, look at that. I just realized that the seat is very lightly, but still rusted in place. I'm gonna have to put some PB Blaster up there to get the tracks loosened up so I can move it. But I did wedge all 6'4" of me into the cab with the seat forward a little bit. Here you see Patrick's on the winch, which is hooked to the back of the trailer and then the front of the truck. So as he pulls the winch in, it's sliding the truck up the hill of the driveway and back towards the back of the trailer, which is working pretty good. I've got working brakes. They're not power assist because the engine isn't running, but the brakes work just fine so that I can ease it down the trailer ramp onto the driveway. And everything is going really smoothly until we get just a little bit further here. And then we kind of run out of angle on the winch to help assist getting us up the driveway. That's where we had to change where the snatch block was situated to give us just a little bit more to get it off. Personally, a Suburban driveway should look like this with the tan and the camo both there. Check out those doors. It's not what you may think it is. They're kind of unique. You may have to rewind. You can see still got the sticker from the auction. You can go look it up, see what it looked like when it was purchased originally from the government a few years ago. While cleaning it out, I didn't find anything too interesting, just some nuts and bolts and whatnot. There's a bumper and tire carrier that will go on really soon. The next step was to hose it down with some soapy water and then hit it with the pressure washer to get all of the dirt and funk off. The truck has sat for a few years beside a friend's house while he decided if he wanted to tackle the project or move on to something else. So it's got a bunch that needs cleaned. Hitting it with the pressure washer means that as I start addressing issues on the truck, I'm not going to get filthy every time I touch it. So that's always step one for me. Hey, thanks for being with us as we picked up the Humvee today. If you'd like to follow along with the rest of this journey, maybe it would be good to subscribe if you're on YouTube or Rumble on the Gear Report Humvee channel. Please give us a like, give us a subscribe so that you'll see all the new updates that we have. Don't know that it's going to be daily updates, but probably at least a couple times a week. We'll show you what we're working on and look for feedback on how to solve problems and what we should do, what decisions we should make along the way. I'd love to have you be a part of that project and that process. So please stick around.